Me a call out the ungrateful Jamaicans them. Yes, me a call you out. If you not one of the ungrateful Jamaican people yes, the video here I feel uno. Let me put on my glasses because I want to read something. This comment just makes something move inside of me. Don't worry about them, Queen. My family in Jamaica and UK take me for an ATM for over 25 years and it's like I've never did nothing for them. Just crazy. You see that comment there? It just wake up. You know, sometimes I'm relating to people in the comment section and I have learned so much from the same people them that commented on my comment section. I have read all of my comment them because now my page is not that big, and even when it get big I am going to take time out to read because I am learning from you guys in the comment section. And when I read this, some of the comments them, that's why I say sometimes I'm going to do video because I do relate to some of the things them that you guys put in the comment section. This is one of them. You know, right now some of my family them don't talk to me because, and it's because I post that video why she put this comment and they don't talk to me, and it's because of that. I was saying a story pertaining to somebody who I've been helping, and when the day come when I cannot help them no more, they turn against me. They talk things behind me about me ear, enough things. Them talk behind me and me hear them back because them don't know, so the people them who them a tell, I go tell somebody, or you know, and then me hear them back. So, you know, me just start pre-life somewhere and say, I come here by myself. I'm here go by myself. I come here naked. I'm here go in a one suit of clothes. That's the only difference. Nothing on this planet where you have now go with you. And that's why I think people must always support and respect one another. And if me don't have it, if me give you something in your past, remember, you know, me not obligated to do nothing for you, you know. I'm not obligated. You're not my parents. First of all, my father, my grandparents, when I grew up with, them not lived in no more. My mother died. My father alive, 70-year old, soon 80. And me can't stretch my hand give him something. Him, me might obligated to give something. And not even him, me not obligated to because he didn't grow me. But me do what me can do with the goodness of my heart to take care of him the best me can. But me not obligated to nobody. Not even me picking them when me care upon this earth because they grow and the last one I gonna be 25 soon. So why is it that me must take up myself and stress out myself over people when my eye close? That's it, me gone. So if me give you something to them, me not obligated to give you tomorrow. And the people them where I chat me and I do sitting behind my back are people where me give things. Are people where me help. All for start business. And them a tear me. So it's like, as me said before, nothing what you do is like it never appreciated. Why Jamaicans stay so? Why? There was a time that Jamaica me at work. Family not there. My sister we pass and gone. She was the one sometimes me used to reach out to because she did that country when me did that town at that time. And every now and then, like when she have her like a sweet yam, she will pack one little bag and we go down there for like a food. Me nah nobody else so I go down there go get nothing from. No. Nobody never used to give me nothing. So at the same time, why is it that you think me obligated to do nothing for you? A lot of them don't want to get up off of them butt and go look work. It's so easy for them to call and beg as if they not expect that people work for what they have and they have their own bills here for pay. And that is, it's frustrating because you there, you do 16-hour shift to make ends meet. And you have your little 9 to 5 where you try to pay your bills and sometimes you don't even have a next person for back up you. And them sit on one side and sit down and pray upon the little money where you are earn. That's why sometimes when you get your pay, come like you don't even know where they, because they sit down and bleach upon it. They sit down and bleach upon your little money and expect say them send you somewhere to go work. Oh no, send me nowhere. Nobody no send nobody nowhere to go work. And even if you did send somebody to go work, I feed them money. Then do what they want, do with it. Get up off of your ass and go look something do. Go look something do. You sit down and take people for ATM. Nobody on no ATM for nobody. Not even my parents can come here, me on an ATM for them. Them for set foundation, everybody for set foundation. When you have a child and they can't help you, God bless their soul. But that no means you have to sit down and pray upon them for help you. That's why foundation, me know say things hard. And it not always go as planned. But sometimes people for set example. Find means and ways. Things can happen to me where me cannot help myself and me and my kids them look out for me. But that doesn't mean me I go sit down and pray upon them to take care of me. That's why I want to build a foundation where, God forbid, me get all and me can't move. Me can't able to have one little money for help myself, or, you know, I could have my little social security then, here. Me I put in the work to make sure say me have it. Try to have a little things, do other little things where you think say you can benefit from when you get older. Whenever me time come, me I go share certain things with you know, but me not go rush to share certain things yet. But me can like give you a little advice on things where work for me. So on this channel, me I go share a lot. So wanna stay tuned because you now get to know who me is, and you know, share some of my journey with you know. But at the end of the day, I'm just saying, like, everybody have on our foot. Get up and go look your own. Whenever you send people, whenever you have children, you expect say, you to burden them when you're still active and can get up and go do things for yourself. Big adult, you have no pitney them on the things, say them for burden yourself. Once you know alive, me now look for my pitney them for nothing, you know. No, you know, cause me still strong. When you can't do nothing at all, that's when you can say, okay, your kids them can chip in and give a helping hand. But if you're strong and hearty, go look something do and keep yourself active. You sit down and pray upon people money much more, family member, cousin. You sit down every time nothing happen, you send text message. Sometimes someone nobody know hear from uno answer till when uno want same thing. Sometimes people send a little money go Congo now and don't really, so don't even say thanks. And me I talk from experience with some of them something here. Me not ask me, I tell you no. It's not somebody tell me. Someone not appreciate what people send Congo now. Me have one where literally after me max out me come here frightened, go along like me frightened, max out me own Navy card. And buy one garbage bag of clothes, cargo give them for them picking and buy tablet and something with my credit card, and have to come back and work and pay it. Them I go literally talk behind my back so they never ask me for nothing money they want. Like you give me money for put on. No favor for it. Along here. Some are not too damn ungrateful. I know all of them you know. But some of them just so ungrateful. And them just feel like say them can just call upon you for everything. Like you know. Sometimes I feel like I don't tell you no some bad word me I tell you. Cause you don't get me pissed off. You don't give nobody nothing for put on, no people pocket, no people I go through. Sometimes you know sit down on the media and don't watch what people I do. I don't watch people background. That's why it's not good for you to tell them nothing and tell them your business. Because at the same time, it's your life and you are navigate it for go to your next level. And because them are dry your back, you can't move forward. Because, oh, me have to do this, me have to do that. And then on the turn on, no appreciate it. Me not say people no forgive. Give. But at the same time, give to who? You have to pressure yourself and have to put your rent pampers or your other bills pampers. Your credit card never get to pay because you have to send $100 to somebody. And then turn around and do grateful. And then turn around and then sit down with people and chat you behind your back. That's why I say sometimes you take your blessing and you give to people who don't deserve it. Pick up on yourself, Madonna's. More blessing and prosperity. One love. Remember to hit that like button. Greatly appreciated. Bye.